back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I've got Ray here with a beautiful red 1977 Stingray. Ray, welcome to my channel.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, good. Tell me a little bit about your car.
So yeah, it's a 1977 Corvette. Got it about 4 years ago. Kind of just working on it during COVID and me and my son kind of fix it all up, and it's been something I wanted to do since I was 10 years old. So.
Excellent, excellent. What specifically drew you to this car?
So specifically all the suspension, the brakes, the interior was all redone on it, and yeah, just kind of getting into the paint job was completed on it, and next steps are kind of the engine and transmission.
Excellent, excellent. Now this car, is this the original factory paint?
No, it was originally yellow.
Yellow,
yeah,
okay.
So I always wanted a red Corvette, and so I changed the color to red.
100%. This car is in 77. What did it have for an engine in here?
350, V8 350 is what it had. It still has.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we kind of went with, and gives me enough power to get around. Yeah. So it's good.
Anything specialty engine or anything you've done to it so far?
Just cleaning it up a little bit, chromed up covered the upper body, the valve covers, alternator, stuff like that. But no, not really anything more than that yet.
No big performance mods of any kind?
No.
Anything planned?
Yeah, we'd like to go with a 383 stroker in it and maybe change it. It's a 4-speed manual, so looking at kind of doing a 5-speed conversion.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That'd be great. And suspension's all stock on it still?
All stock, yeah. Replaced it all, but it's still kind of the same old suspension and disc brakes. Yep.
Discs all around, yeah.
Discs all around, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, drives really nice. And,
yeah. Cruises on the highway fine?
Cruises on the highway fine. Fourth gear, it's a little bit, revs up the engine a little bit, so I'd like to go with a 5-speed. But yeah, everything works well, and yeah, it's good to go now.
Excellent.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.
And is that factory stock interior? It look like
C4 seats.
C4
put in there,
okay.
yeah. So I didn't have the seats when I bought it, so I put in a C4 seat, and I'm actually happy I did because it's a really comfortable ride.
Heated seats?
Nope.
No.
Okay. Just I lowered them down a little bit so my head could fit inside the car with the T-tops on. But
never a problem in a Corvette.
Yeah. So yeah.
And T-tops, are they the plexiglass T-top?
No, just it still has a factory same T-tops before. Just painted them up and ready to go.
Body color?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
That looks great anyway.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Okay, and exhaust system on it?
Yeah, it's just got the dual exhaust, 2-inch pipe. I came like that when I got it. Right. So I never
haven't changed the exhaust?
No.
Louder? Or,
no, I don't think so. I mean, you can go through with the side pipes, but I don't want to burn my legs, and it sounds a little mean. So
no, you get the snake bite. The old Cobra snake bites.
Exactly.
Yeah, you get those sometimes. Anything else to the cars you want to get done or do? Or?
No, I think if I get the engine and the transmission done, I think I'll be pretty much complete. Yeah.
So that's the car.
That's the car, 77 Corvette.
Thank you so very much for showing me your car. I do appreciate it.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You too.